that seeth the papacy. Let your optical nerves be glued to television seeking. That is the only way your melancholism can be therapeuticized. And in visualizing, also subscribe.
Talent comes in many forms, be it art, dance, singing, and so on. There are some talents we wish we had, but unfortunately we don't. This makes us admire and have great appreciation for people who possess such talents. For instance, whereas some are gifted with stunning voices, several people cannot sing to save their lives. Television CK has chanced upon two girls, Audrey and Aurora, with exceptionally beautiful voices. What makes them spectacular is that they are twins with slightly different voices, which when put together creates a melodious tune.
Adum biayenya Adum ayete asi Emuna yekeka yeho Emuna ye zinina Adum biayenya Adum ayete asi Emuna yekeka yeho Emuna ya zinina Amenyina beiwa ye Amenyina beda wasi na hindi nina nyamsano yabato hallelujah yabato mama yanto na na hindi nyamzano yabato hallelujah yabato sewa bravo musem yeah mawa sheye nawa every say onyame na domara kwa na ote senya ote so bravo musem yeah mawa sheye na wa every say onyame na domara kwa na wote senya wote adum biayenya adum ayete asi emuna yekeka yeho emuna ya zinina Adum biayenya Adum ayete asi emuna yekeka yeho emuna ya zinina mama yantu na ye nyomano na hindi Yabato, hallelujah, yabato, momayanto, na ye nyomano, na hindi anyonyamzano, yabato, hallelujah, yabato. Amenyina peiwaye, amenyina peda wasi, amenyina peiwaye, amenyina peda wasi. Sewa bravo musem, yeah mawa, sheye nawa wa every say onyame na domara kwa na wote senya wote. So bravo musem, yeah mawa, sheye nawa wa every say onyame na domara kwa na wote senya wote.
What do you think? Is there any gospel artist who should probably take classes from them? Leave a comment below.
Television CK, YouTube, Musha, subscribe. Yes, I had it here. YouTube, Musha, subscribe. What you logo? Uncle machine again, Mofia. Logo.
Subscribe to Television CK on YouTube and click the bell button to be notified on all new posts.